Welcome back to my channel, guys. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make fried rice. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to get a frozen package of peas and carrot vegetables, and you are going to throw that on a pan in a boiled water, and you're going to cook for around 5 minutes. After that, you are going to cook the rice. And if you want to learn how to cook the rice, I'm going to leave the link down below, so that way you can learn how to cook the rice at Ralph's Kitchen style. Right here we have onions that we are going to cut in small pieces. And I like my onions not really small, but a little bit chunks of onions. So that's how I'm going to cut them. After you get all the onions cut, you're gonna get a bowl and you're gonna put them on a bowl, and you're gonna dip them on soy sauce. After you add the soy sauce, you're gonna start stirring so the onions can get deep and can get the flavor of the soy sauce, and put that aside. Now you're gonna cut your chicken and make sure you cut it in small pieces so that way they can cook very uniform. Really small pieces right here. After you cut the chicken, we're gonna season the chicken right now, and we're gonna put a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of paprika. We're gonna add something that I call my garlic powder. It has mustard powder, garlic powder, and some spices. Right now I'm gonna add Tanjin, and I'm gonna move and stir to combine all ingredients really well. After you combine, you're gonna set that aside for around 30 to 45 minutes. And after the 45 minutes, you're gonna add the onions that you dip on the soy sauce, and you're gonna stir once again. Once all the ingredients are well combined, right here your frozen vegetables are ready to cook. The rice that we start cooking at the beginning of this video is ready to be served. And what you're gonna do with the rice is that you're gonna put them on a pan, and you're gonna put them on the refrigerator for around an hour until it cools down. While the rice is cooling down, now you are wanting to add a little bit of vegetable oil into a pan, and now you're gonna add the chicken that you have been resting 30 to 45 minutes with all the ingredients that you have put together to bring the flavor and the amazing taste. You're gonna keep stirring slowly. And now you're gonna add the frozen vegetables that you already cooked. Look at how beautiful, look at the color. And you're gonna stir really slow. This is a very easy, cheap, and anybody can make this recipe. Nothing to be scared to try this. This is an amazing dish. I loved it. Now you're gonna add the rice. After being an hour in the refrigerator, you're gonna add it, and you're gonna start stirring slowly. You don't have to add all the rice at once. If you have a lot of rice, you can add it slowly, so that way you don't make a mess. And right here, I'm just combining all the ingredients. I haven't added any soy sauce to the rice. Look at that. Right here, I'm gonna be adding soy sauce, and I really love soy sauce, so I'm gonna be adding a lot. If you are not too big of a fan, you don't have to, but the soy sauce gives a really good flavor, and you bring all the flavors and all the ingredients together for an amazing dish. Just keep stirring and moving slowly. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful this looks. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe. Thank you very much for all the support, and thank you very much for still being here on my kitchen, giving me your support and watching my videos. I will see you next time with another recipe, another video here on my kitchen. Kitchen.